Now we're doing the microwave. It's looks like it's from 1980 and it smells like it's from a camper. And there's no food in it, but if there were food, I'd probably put a vegetable in it. Alright. Make sure the camera can see it. Oh, it's just a hole. Let's get one through the glass. Actually, you know what? Let's go for accuracy and let's get the little timer screen. Alright. Let's see if I got where the little timer should be. Remember, that's a 12 gauge slug. That's not no little 22 piss ass round. Hey, I got the screen. I'll never know when my popcorn's going to be done. And let's turn this. There's the two holes. See what they traveled through. Look at that. There's light coming down through there. That's weird. There's 5 holes. But I only shot 2 shots. Weird. Part of this slug. Shit. You want to get shot by a 12 gauge slug? I think that's what it's going to look like. That's a metal. Imagine if that were flesh. That wouldn't be pretty. And this one just barely tore out the back. Very nice. We're going to use this to hold the book now.